Dear subscribers, they'll tell you how to use ChatGPT on your mobile phone. So actually, for doing that, you just need to go to Safari, just tap on in Google, just write OpenAI. So here you can see it. So after, you just need to open website. Here you can also just tap on try ChatGPT. Here you can see it. And now you just need to write your login and your password. So if you hadn't exactly create your account, so you just need to do it. So also just tap on login if you have it. So just write your email address. After, you just need to tap on continue, and now you just need to write your password. So now you can see that we successfully opened ChatGPT and we can also use it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.